The innovative new terrain management system delivers true all-road capability with an intelligent four-wheel drive system. A simple-to-use dial in the center console lets you choose from 4 different surface conditions. It starts in standard mode for regular on-road conditions. The terrain management system controls engine, transmission, and brake control systems to match the conditions of the surface. As conditions change, just turn the dial. Switch to mud ruts, and the terrain management system knows exactly what to do. Increase engine torque sent to the rear wheels, add a slight delay in transmission upshifts, and modify sensitivity and stability control, helping to keep your wheels spinning to maintain your momentum through rutted, soft, or uneven terrain. Switch to sand, and the system aggressively changes transmission upshift timing, preemptively increases rear torque, and modifies wheel slip response to move you through soft, dry sand or deep gravel. And for a firm surface that is covered with loose dirt or slippery snow, switch to grass, gravel, snow. The system reprograms to faster transmission upshifts, increases slip and stability control, slightly adjusts engine torque, and improves yaw control, all for more confident handling in challenging slippery conditions. Dependable, capable traction and control when you need it most. Drive it, and you'll see why this new terrain management system is a big part of what makes the all-new Explorer a totally reinvented modern SUV.